G'day folks, it's Den here, host of the Business for Creatives podcast with another daily tip for you here. Now today I want to talk about when someone says to you, can I have a discount? Well, hey folks, this is a common question. Have you ever had a situation where a client says, can I have a discount? Well, here's what you say to them. My preferred solution is, why do you want a discount? And say nothing. Let them do the talking. Sometimes people just ask for a discount. What you can say is, look, we don't tend to discount because our pricing is very fair and it's well considered from the outset. The only time in which we consider discounting is if there was a volume of work that would allow us to scale our opportunities with you and replicate some processes, and that could reduce our costs internally. What we're happy to do is consider, discounting the fifth film by a percentage, if you wish. But in general, I don't like to discount. I just think it kind of sets the wrong tone from the outset. And when you push back and say, why is it you want a discount? It really aligns you with someone who is like a professional, someone who is delivering a professional service. And what you can say if someone says, can I have a discount? You can say, okay, well, we could take a look at the line items and look at which parts you maybe don't want to use. If you're looking to save some money and make some economies, let's consider what we can do to trim the budget. Always go back to the idea of working from a line itemized quote so you can have some points at which to discuss. That's it for me today, folks. I'll see you on another video.